Hello, yes, this is Linux-Lite. Linux-Lite 7.6. Absolutely fantastic. I'm having the ball. Having a ball, I really am with it. I've done my own backgrounds. Haven't done that in here. I've done that in Linux Mint, on my main machine, which is over there. Absolutely fantastic. Having a really good time. I've got Xkill. I've got that up and running now. So when you push Control, Alt and Escape, we've got that. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. I'll come down here and it'll refresh these for me. Brilliant. Or just refresh my desktop entirely. I've also got the 617 kernel installed as well. Licorice, although I call it licorice, but it's not, it's Licorice. Absolutely fantastic, and it's running really well on my 9060 AMD card Sapphire. 16 gig of RAM has got on board. It's just working really well. When I first installed this, of course, it come up 1024 by 768 resolution, so I was a bit like, really? That's what you get for having a bigger bloody monitor, I guess. But I've only got a 1440p monitor, 144 hertz, which is more than enough. We're going out on 120, I believe, hertz we are on this at the and everything's tickety-boo. And of course, with this monitor, I've got FreeSync. Now, if you were to install this on, say, an old laptop, okay, you'll get 1080, but you might get screen tearing, which will then, unless, of course, you install the Licorice kernel. Yeah, so I'm having a blast here. And look, I've got all different, I've got 3 of them on here. There you go, there's a red one. There's a blue one, and we go back to grey. I've just made up 3 of them on here. 3 backgrounds, just something different, if you like I do with all of the desktops that I've got. Absolutely fantastic. I've got Nemo installed. I've uninstalled Thunar altogether. I've made Nemo default altogether as well. And if I put in this unnamed monitor, you'll see I'm using the 617.11 Licorice. I keep wanting to call it licorice, and I have been all bloody morning, but it isn't. It's Licorice AMD 64 Zen. There's a PPA for it. Oh God, you got to put PPA in. Yes, you got to put PPA in. No other way of doing it. I don't think they're in Synaptic. I really don't think they are. So you'll have to put that on in. But we've got the headers, got everything on in there. Yeah, fantastic. Gonna be doing some gaming on this, but that'll be in the future. That'll be in a future video, probably this week, because I'm off on Thursday and hopefully Friday and Saturday and Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. I've got off work, so every other week I have a long week off, which is nice. So hopefully get some videos on out during then, get some gaming done, see what it's like for gaming on this card, because I haven't tried it out yet. It should be bloody good, actually, because it is a pretty good card. It's snappy as anything, and with this kernel, of course, it speeds up your boot times. Well, it's meant to. What it'd be like for gaming, I think it'd be fine. I really do. I'm enjoying myself at the moment on what I've done with it and all that. Like I say, I've also put Xkill in. Xkill, fantastic. It's just a keyboard shortcut, and it's a command. Just put Xkill into the command there when you add it, and then just prompt it with your own keyboard shortcut, which is Control, Alt and Escape, and there you go. That'll turn into a little cross, and down we are. I asked Leo, actually, and he put something else in, and it was like, no, it's not that at all then. So I thought, no, hang on, let's just have a look on inside of Linux Mint, and of course they've got Xkill already added. They didn't have it added here. I thought, I want that. I really do want that. that is it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.
While you're down there, could you rub my feet?